Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to solo tire 5 slime portals. Required units: Fortune Master, Toto or Okiora, with Overlord, Avatar or Glitch. Steps: for step number 1, gather money units. Collect enough money units to upgrade your units, obviously. For step number 2, place Fortune Master and Toto. Strategically place Fortune Master and Toto to deal damage to the slime portals. For step number 3, position Okiora for maximum effectiveness. For step number 4, upgrade units and prioritize upgrading Okiora to its third upgrade. For step number 5, defeat the boss. Continue and attacking the slime portals until you defeat the boss. And for the last step, number 6, collect rewards. Claim your rewards and continue the process for more tier 5 portals. And for additional tips, use the units mentioned above for optimal results. Experiment with different unit placements to find the best strategy. Focus on upgrading Okiora as quickly as possible and have fun in the game.